G'day, welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about timing guns. Now, although Minisport don't sell timing guns, this is one of the best tools you can have when working on a classic vehicle or anything that has an adjustable ignition system, or even modern day vehicles where you just need to know what the timing is and it has ignition leads. So this is a fairly cheap one, Mech Pro one. I think this cost me sort of like 80 bucks from Repco. Really cheap, easy, affordable to buy, and a really good tool to be able to help diagnose some issues. So if your car's starting to run rough at higher RPM, maybe the dwell is off, maybe the timing has needing adjustments, maybe the distributor's starting to wear, maybe you just want to know what it's doing throughout the rev range. Tuning a vehicle isn't just about adjusting the timing and setting the screw on the idle and adjusting the idle mixture. It is also about a bunch of other things. Timing comes into play with many different variables, including what fuel you use and what you're using the vehicle for. So for instance, if we want to get the most fuel economy out of it and we also want to make the most power that we can, we want to run it a little bit leaner. The reason for that is it's a nice, clean, efficient burn. In doing that, you do need a timing light. So these do vary in price depending where you go. It could be anywhere from 80 bucks to about 800. Depending on which one you buy. I do have another one in my arsenal of tools in which we'll actually read the dwell. It'll tell you how much voltage there is, as well as what speed the engine's revving at. This is a really important thing to know when you're setting the timing to ensure that you can get it set to where you need it to be and adjust all of the adjustments that are available on the vehicle in which you're working on. Timing lights can be one of those tools that you do wear over time, and if you drop it, it's probably not going to be in the best condition, so you probably need to get it serviced, but something that will stay with you for the life of the vehicle. If you're looking to optimize the overall running of the vehicle and the fuel efficiency, the economy, and get the best burn out of it, using a timing light is one of the best tools you can ever do and one of the adjustments you can make. As I said, there is quite a lot to it, not just adjusting the idle screw and the mixture screw to be able to get it running right, but timing is a very big part of it and does exactly that. It tells you what the timing is at, so whether it's advanced or retarded, you can adjust it accordingly. Consult your owner's manual and a professional tuner to determine what exactly it is that you need to set your vehicle to. Before we go, don't forget to support a local business and support Minisport by buying a hat, a jumper, a hoodie, pen, stubby holder, whatever it is. Make sure you show your love, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.